Hi students, welcome to second year accounting class. In this class, we are going to learn about different types of accounting packages. Okay. By the time you learn, many of these accounting packages may vanish from the market and may come into may new packages enter into the market. Only thing is, because it is a part of syllabus and one of this may be given for 2 marks, we have to discuss. Among them, the first one I have written, Tally ERP 9 is very popular one. As in my previous class I have explained that this is the official subject of BCom curriculum now. As you all know that in the market no one is using manual accounting system. So many of the commerce graduates, even after graduation, their post graduation, are struggling to find employment in the market because industry requires computerized accounting and you are going out of the college with a certificate of manual accounting system. Theoretically you are learning what is cash book, what is BRS, what is final accounts, but you don't know how to do this accounting, how to record the transactions in a computerized accounting system. So when you are going for the job, naturally the employer is asking, do you know any accounting package? So the student is saying, sir, sorry sir, we do not have that subject. I am okay, theoretically I can give you the definitions, on book I can prepare accounts. So naturally what the employer will say, sorry, we require a candidate who can perform on the computer. So you must know at least one of the accounting package, or say then we can train on our accounting software. So we do not apply manual accounting system. So you require accounting software knowledge. So by observing the gap between the students and the industry, Osmania University has taken a decision to introduce one of the accounting package as its subject at the graduation level. It is a very great advantage to the students, but unfortunately most of the students are not taking it seriously. Again, simply they are just by hearting the answers and writing, but practically they are not understanding what is the accounting software. So that mistake you don't do. You learn in advance. Okay. So in order to ensure a knowledge in the field of accounting, computerized accounting, Osmania University has collaborated with its one of the software company, Tally. So the Tally software is been supplied to all the colleges and in various degree colleges. In the lab in computers you will find this software. The students are to be trained on this Tally. So by the time they complete graduation, they will have manual accounting knowledge as well as computerized accounting knowledge. So that will help them to get the job. That is the idea of the Osmania University. So in the process of that, intermediate board also has introduced this computerized accounting system at intermediate level, so that you should know that what industry requires in the field of accounting. If you want employment, what type of skills you should possess. So accordingly you can plan your career. So this 21st century is not like simply after 25 years you plan your career. It is not like that. 10 years in advance you have to plan what you want to become, whether you want to become an entrepreneur, or you want to become a marketing executive, or you want to become a chartered accountant or a lawyer or something, and you start studying right from intermediate. That is the reason this portion is being introduced at +2 level. So about this accounting softwares, Tally is the very popular one. I will read out the merits and this one because the matter is very lengthy. The board doesn't fit. That's why I could not write the total concept or say definition of these accounting packages on board. So you can go through your textbook. So simply one of the package may be given for 2 marks. So Tally is the end-to-end solution to GST statutory regulations. As you know that in the market now we follow goods and services tax. Okay. Previously we had VAT. So previous accounting softwares were designed with calculation of VAT. So now Tally ERP 9, the modified version, has got GST modification also. That means as soon as you enter the product, sale of the product, it automatically calculates the GST also, and total invoice is generated. It is a very popular one, easy one. So Tally is equipped with error detection capabilities that minimize any chance of rejection in GST returns, starting from creating invoices, creating ledgers, printing checks, stock aging analysis, cost estimates, profit analysis, auto bank reconciliation, or other critical overviews. Right from the beginning of this chapter, I have been telling you that nowadays government is taking every report online. Okay, that means what about your sales or production, any tax you pay, any information you want to submit to the government, it is to be submitted to the authorities in the online mode. So for everything you have got a specified prescribed format, a official form is there. In that you have to enter the data, and that will be submitted to the income tax authorities, or say GST authorities, central sales tax authorities, whoever it may be. So this Tally has got a modified version of detecting the errors, because if errors are there, if there are mistakes in your online form, automatically the authorities will reject. That may trouble your taxing policy and your activities. So Tally will avoid various mistakes at different levels, right from creation of ledgers, calculation of GST, then profit analysis. So everything is done automatically. Already I told you how the computerized accounting system works. Your duty is to just enter the voucher. Once the voucher is entered, the remaining reports will be generated by the computer itself. Whether it is trial balance or trading account or profit and loss account or balance sheet or ratio analysis or a comparative income statement, everything is prepared by the computer itself. So only thing is your duty is to create company, create ledgers and go for voucher entries. So once it is done, automatically the remaining activities are done by your accounting package. So Tally is error-free accounting package, so that detects, that means it has got the ability to identify if any mistakes occur during the entry and preparation of accounting reports. Then we have got QuickBooks India. It is not that popular. So this is been provided by New Age, that means new business organizations are looking forward to embracing accounting software that provides seamless, comprehensive data on one single tool. QuickBooks India is the comprehensive, modern accounting management tool which offers the best for business organizations. The software allows enterprises to track sales, create and send invoices, and derive a database from the cloud-based portal. QuickBooks is for nice users and does not require any expertise in financial accounting handling. The software is equipped with powerful invoicing features, payment reminders, sales and inventory tracking, auto banking resolution, and easy navigation interface. QuickBooks simplifies tasks and provides a 360-degree view of the business from anywhere. That means it is applicable for multiple users. Suppose you have got Sri Medhavi Junior College, different branches are there. So once you enter the data, any branch can view what is happening at Santosh Nagar branch, it is IS7 branch, it is Saidabad branch, at Vijayawada branch. So multi-users can apply it simultaneously. Then we have got Zoho Books. So this is popular online accounting software in India, which acts as an integrated platform for end-to-end financial solution. Zoho Books is GST compliant, automates business workflow and manages financial accounting and help in managing departments collectively from one single source. According to finance expert, Zoho Books is one of the most preferred accounting solutions for growing business. Right from maintaining sales orders and invoicing, Zoho Books, GST invoice, bookkeeping, huge ledgers and various accounting tasks. Zoho Books is feature packaged to manage cash receivables, payables, banking, inventory, timesheets and business contacts and generate reports. In the QuickBooks India, we did not have inventory management, but Zoho Books will give you inventory management also. What do you mean by inventory management? inventory includes raw material, work in progress and finished goods. So these are called as stock levels. As you know that in the success of a business organization, material also plays an important role. So we should know what amount of material is available, what is being processed and what is ready for sale. So with the help of Zoho books, we can have those levels also. Then Marg ERP 9 is very important for 2 marks. Many times it was given. So this is a GST enabled inventory and accounting software in India that makes GST billing and filling easy. Okay, generate batch wise invoice, get detailed information on a business transaction, avail auto bank reconciliation. Okay, what do you mean by bank reconciliation? In first year we have learnt many a times when we are making certain entries in cash book that are not been posted to passbook, and the entries which are being posted to passbook are not been posted to cash book, due to which the balance of cash book and passbook is not agreeing. This leads to lot of confusion while issuing the checks or receiving the checks. So many a times under manual accounting system, we need to get the vouchers from bank, compare your cash book with passbook and go for manual reconciliation. It takes lot of time. You need to put more efforts. So in the recent times, so these advanced accounting packages like Marg and Tally also are offering auto reconciliation. Means once you enter the cash transactions and whenever you sync it with bank transactions, it automatically identifies what transactions are not been matching and how it is to be rectified. To find out the correct balance as per cash book and passbook is done by the accounting software itself. So that is what called as auto bank reconciliation. Means simply BRS, bank reconciliation statement, is prepared by the software itself. You need not do separately. Then Vyapar, it is also a accounting software name. So this accounting software is a free platform that allows maintaining invoice, getting inventory records, managing books of accounts and tracking daily business activities while focusing on business growth rate. The software eliminates paperwork and helps business management to utilize productive time on business development. Next we have got MyBooks. One more software is MyBooks. This software is an excellent accounting solution for entrepreneurs, accountants, small IT and financial companies and freelancers. MyBooks GST accounting software is designed for all small business owners. All accounting transactions using this GST accounting software can eliminate accounting work stress. MyBooks, designed from the small business owner's perspective, kept easy user experience as a central objective in designing the product, so there will not be any need for formal training. So just now I told you in my previous class that various ready use accounting packages does not require special skill or special training. Similarly, MyBooks is also designed in order to keeping in mind the requirements of the small firms. So if you buy the MyBooks accounting software, you don't require special knowledge. With a training of 1 or 2 days or few hours of training by the vendor, you can easily adapt to that system and you can record your accounting transactions into that. The next 7th one is Busy accounting software. So it is integrated Windows based accounting software that has been created to bring a reform in the computerized accounting system with the primary objective of providing digitalization and offering a computerized software solution. Busy accounting software has become one of the top online accounting software in India. Busy was curated by a group of IT professionals with a motive that focused on the development of business accounting. Busy accounting software caters a range of accounting software apps that cater to the need of different business segments. The software is available in 3 different segments that suit micro, small and medium scale enterprises. So they have designed this Busy accounting software which is available for small firms, medium firms as well as larger firms also. Then we have got Logic. So it is an online accounting software in India that satisfies the demand of having a strategic ERP system in the accounting and financial module. Business managers look forward to grabbing an insight into financial reports that align in quick decision making. Logic is advanced computerized software which facilitates error-free financial management, budgeting and planning. It assists forecasting, renders efficient performance analysis and integrates general ledger and accounting data. Then the ninth one, GID. It is all-inclusive modern accounting software in India which uses local database and delivers custom reports for the successful growth of the business. The software is not only for financial management but also deals in inventory, stock management and handles bank accounts with high-level security. GID is GST compliance and delivers insight reports for better analysis of accounting stability. The software supports multi-currency features that enable to manage globalized departments from one place. The accounting software lets the business to share data with team members so that they keep a track of elements that require topmost priorities. Multi-currency features means once you enter the amount, like you will have rupees, Indian rupees, American dollars or say British pounds. So different columns you can see the currency so that the international market you can generate invoice with the different currencies. That is the advantage we have got with GID, which was not available in other accounting softwares. The last one we have got profit books. So this software offers complete inventory management and detailed tax reports that help in stabilized controlling of the business. For a growing company, financial planning and inventory management is equally important in alignment to get sales and product insights. Whether the firm is a manufacturing unit, wholesaler or retailer, Profit Books offers a steady platform to track management process and file tax returns. From managing income and expense statements to tracking the entire cash flow, Profit Books serves as the best accounting and inventory management solution. Profit Books has been a savior to many upscale business and new ventures for its vividly advanced features. So these are the various accounting softwares available. So when you want to learn, better you go for Tally. Remaining all are not that popular and say not are that used by small companies. Maybe by 2 to 3 years, some of these may come with a modified version. But basically, if you know one accounting software, it becomes very easy to understand the others also. These are very cheaper, economical in the market applied. Most of the computer institutes are offering at 2,500 to 3,000 rupees coaching in these accounting packages. So better learn. So with this, our computerized accounting chapter is completed. Over.